Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Exe apps on Android. So if you ever try to run a Windows Exe files on your Android phone and you want to know how, this simple guide will show you how you can do it. No PC needed and perfect for beginners. So Excel files are made for Windows and they won't open on Android directly. But don't worry, with the right tools, we can simulate the environment to run them. So the first thing that you need to do is install an emulator like WinLater or DOSBox. You can go to the Google Play Store, or you can also go to trusted sites like GitHub and download WinLater for heavy Windows app. I'll just find this one, or you can also find DOSBox. So DOSBox usually for older games or apps. So these apps will simulate a Windows-like system on Android. But you need to know that you need to use safe exe files. Don't install suspicious programs. After that, you can install the emulator and move your exe file to a folder on your phone. Open the WinLater or DOSBox and browse to the exe. And after that, you can tap to run. It may take a few seconds to launch. You can also use a Bluetooth keyboard or mouse for better experience. The other method that you can do is using the remote desktop access that can be used on Android or iPhone. So you can just install the Chrome Remote Desktop or Microsoft Remote Desktop on your phone. Again, you can find it on the Google Play Store. Let's find Chrome Remote Desktop. This one, you can install it on your phone and then set up the desktop app on your PC. It must be on, and then run the exe file on your PC, but you can control it from your phone in real time. And this is the best way to use full Windows softwares like maybe Adobe or games from your phones. Other tools that might work such as GPCSIM, the PC emulator for Android, Limbo PC emulator for basic Linux or Windows environments, or Streamlink. So that's pretty much all. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's how you can install and run the exe files on Android the easy ways. If you like this tutorial, hit subscribe and click on the thanks for more app tricks and tech hacks. Bye!